Good morning, YouTube fam, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, and this is another episode of Fish Fry Friday. All right, family, we just left Lowe's. We're headed to Walmart. There's about a mile between the two, and right between the two of those is this little fishing spot, right behind Shoe Depot and one other establishment, and right over here to the right we have a dollar store. This is downtown Sulphur, Louisiana. All right, fam, this is the most difficult spot I ever fished. The reason it's difficult is it's about a 10-foot drop. There's weeds, there's buggies in the water, there's all kind of debris who's never been cleared out from the hurricane. It's difficult, and to top it all off, this thing is filled to the brim with turtles. With that being said, let's cast a line in and see can we get anything out of here. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. All right, fam, we're not going to be here long. I simply want to show y'all what the potential is. Do not pass up on a waterway, a ditch, a canal, or whatever the case may be. There may be fish. All right, family, let's cast in here a couple of times to see what we're working with. All right, let's try a couple of more little spots right over here by that grassy knoll and see if there's anything biting. And if nothing strikes us here in about 5 minutes, we're gonna head on down the road to Wally World and try our luck somewhere else. I pulled everything out of here but crappie. I've never pulled a crappie out of here, but I pulled, white perch out of here. I pulled bass out of here. We've seen gar in here. Just not biting today. There's something going on right here. Nice little wake. Gar. God dang garfish. At least we had a bite. That's why I do this. That's why I do this. Look at that. Oh yeah, baby. Don't ever pass up these little ditches, these little creeks, these little fishing holes. That is pan size, baby. He's going in the cooler. He's going in the box. Nice. Whoa. Come here. All right, fam, let's see if there's anything else over here in this area. That's why I do what I do.